Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're a tactical operator, outdoor adventurer, or fitness enthusiast who needs a watch that survives extreme conditions while providing advanced tools like applied ballistics for long-range shooting, solar charging for endless battery, and stealth mode for covert ops, then gear up, because today we're locking and loading a wrist-worn warrior. I'm talking about the Garmin tactix 8 Solar Elite. This rugged tactical GPS watch is built with a titanium case, sapphire lens, and features like night vision compatibility, kill switch for data wipe, and multi-sport tracking for every mission. Grab it on Amazon right now through the link in the description, and trust me, it's going to make your operations smarter, your adventures tougher, and your training more precise without ever letting you down. Let's break it down and see why this watch is commanding respect in 2025. First, the feature breakdown on the Garmin tactix 8 Solar Elite. This isn't your everyday smartwatch. It's Garmin's ultimate tactical GPS watch, designed for military, law enforcement, and extreme sports with a 51mm titanium case that's lightweight at 93 grams, but tested to military standards for thermal, shock, and water resistance up to 10 atmospheres. The standout is the solar charging sapphire lens that extends battery life up to 48 days in smartwatch mode, or 120 hours in GPS with sunlight, ideal for extended missions without power sources. The 1.4-inch AMOLED display is bright with always-on mode, showing detailed topo maps, waypoints, and ballistics data at a glance. It has multi-band GPS for pinpoint accuracy in remote areas, and tactical features like stealth mode to disable wireless communication, kill switch to erase all data, and night vision compatibility to use with goggles without glare. For ballistics, it includes Applied Ballistics Elite software for calculating long-range shooting solutions based on distance, wind, and angle. Health and fitness include wrist-based heart rate, pulse ox, sleep monitoring, stress tracking, body battery energy levels, and advanced metrics like endurance score and hill score. The watch has a speaker and mic for taking calls and using voice assistants, music storage for offline playback, Garmin Pay for contactless payments, and smart notifications for texts and apps. The button and touchscreen interface is intuitive, with customizable data fields, and it supports over 30 sports modes from running to tactical to golf. The Solar model adds that extra battery boost, and it's compatible with the Garmin Connect app for detailed analysis and community challenges. Setup is straightforward. Charge it, pair to your phone via Bluetooth, customize your profiles, and you're ready to go. Priced around $1,099, it's a premium tool with elite features for those who demand the best. Versatility is insane. Navigate with turn-by-turn directions, track tactical drills with Jump Master mode, monitor health with Sleep Insights, or use it every day with weather and calendar. The solar charging is crucial for multi-day ops, and the ballistics make it a must for shooters. Now, pros and cons to keep it real. Pros are massive. The solar battery means weeks without charging. Tactical features like ballistics and stealth set it apart. The AMOLED display is sharp for maps and data, and users love the durability that handles abuse without flinching. The speaker adds utility for calls, music keeps you pumped, and Garmin Pay is convenient for field use. It's accurate for GPS, the app is powerful for analysis, and the build is comfortable for all-day wear. But no watch is bulletproof. The main con is the price. At $1,099, it's expensive for casual users. The large 51mm size can feel bulky. Some note the touchscreen can be finicky with gloves or sweat, and while feature-rich, it has a learning curve. Overall, pros dominate for tactical pros. My recommendation? Absolutely go for the Garmin tactix 8 Solar Elite if you want a tactical watch with solar power and real features for missions. The pros like elite tools, battery, and durability make total sense for military, hunters, or extreme athletes. It's not just a watch, it's your mission essential for peak ops. Before we wrap, if these reviews gear you up, hit subscribe for more tech tips. Click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and gets you the deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing, including special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a ton for watching. If this helped, like it, share with friends, or subscribe for more. See you next time.